You can see this slide, right? This is example 13-1. I took it from the book, the big one, water treatment principle and design. Plot S given below according to equation with the Cheek-Watson law. Determine the coefficient of specific lethality and the coefficient of determination R square. This is R square. Coefficient of specific determination. The data for the inactivation of poliovirus type 1 with bromine are provided in the following table. The data is given for disinfection of poliovirus type 1, and bromine is used as disinfectant. So the concentration was time at 0, the concentration applied of disinfectant is 21.6 milligram per liter, and then log N or N naught value was 0. Means there was no disinfection. But as time goes by, the disinfection occurs with the same concentration. And then if concentration was changed, with time goes by, the value is this much. The concentration is 12.9, and the concentration is different, then the value of N or N naught is different. So what we have to do, we have to plot using this equation. We have to plot determine this coefficient of specific lethality. We have to find this and coefficient of determination R square value. So we have to determine the value of CT and log N or N naught so that we can have, because CT and log N or N naught, if we plot it, then we will have a straight line, and slope of this straight line will be coefficient of specific lethality. So we have to find this one and then product of C and T. So we rearrange this. We have time, we have C value, and we have time and difference value, and then multiply by time and C, so we get CT value. And for that time and that concentration and that CT value, we already know the log N or N naught. We can get it from here. Okay, so we rearrange the same table to have CT values. So we have now CT value and we have log N or N naught, and we can plot it. So we can use actually this natural log, which can be converted into log base 10 if we multiply it with 2.303. So we can do this. You can use log. We can multiply this figure with 2.303. We'll get this log N over N naught value. And or we can just use natural logarithm and plot in CT using Excel. So we can have this this data point. Okay, this data point. And if we add trend line, we will. This is trend line. Straight line. We can get this equation, and R square value is 0.87. Remember, this is the slope. Slope here is this much. So slope is specific lethality minus CW is equal to minus 0.18. So minus cancel. The specific coefficient of specific lethality is 0.18, and R square coefficient of determination is 0.87, which is very good value for microorganism in disinfection of microorganism. So we solve this problem. We can find the coefficient of specific lethality like this. It's quite easy, and later on we will see how we use the coefficient of specific lethality in more calculation.